Okay, so today I just received the Sim Dash from Ascher-racing. Actually ordered the 4-inch version. It came very quickly in that nice little box. I ordered it I think 2 days ago from Germany. Arrived in the US today. As you can see, there is inside a little cable with an angled USB here. Bunch of different screws to attach it. This is the dash, and let me see, underneath here you have a couple of plates to attach it to a different wheelbase. Hopefully it's gonna work on my setup. Let's try to get this from the package. There we go. So here it is, the 4-inch. As you can see here, there was a little bit of a manufacturing problem on mine. And Ascher-racing is actually printed a little sideways if you're really looking. Aside of that, beautiful piece. It's pretty heavy. Very, very clean piece. Everything looks nice. A nice button here that sticks out nice and easy, so you can really easily turn it on and off when you need it or not. Beautiful LEDs. Can't wait to see it in action. I printed here the dimension for the 4-inch. I think it's printed pretty much the same way. So here's how it's gonna go on my rig. I wanted something small. Hopefully it's gonna mount right here. I personally like to see the dash on the game, so I wanted something small, just more to get the shift lights and shifter. I potentially will install it maybe just even on the side here. So I'm not so sure yet. We'll see. But beautiful piece. I think I paid 360, 380. I forgot exactly detail about shipping and stuff, but very, very nice piece. Highly recommend it. I'm gonna certainly try to see if I can rub and remove the Ascher-racing at the bottom. I was actually pretty excited about the Ascher-racing, but the fact that it's printed sideways, that's gonna bother me a little bit. So certainly gonna have to do something about that. Again, that's it for the Ascher Sim Dash. I think it just came out on sale on February 20th. We're March 3rd, so I haven't seen anybody posting this, so that's why I wanted to post it. I'll make a follow-up video once it's in action.